Welcome. In network communications, delay dictates performance. Today, we will break down the 4 critical types of delay, analyze the famous caravan analogy, and calculate exact end-to-end performance. Imagine a caravan of 10 cars traveling through a highway with toll booths. The time spent servicing cars at a toll booth represents transmission delay, while the travel time between booths represents propagation delay. This classic analogy mirrors how data packets move through routers. In actual routers, a packet experiences 4 distinct delays. First, processing delay as the router inspects headers. Second, queuing delay as the packet waits in buffers. Third, transmission delay to push bits onto the link. And fourth, propagation delay traveling the physical medium. It is crucial to distinguish transmission from propagation. Transmission delay is purely mathematical, packet length L in bits, divided by link bandwidth, or propagation delay is distance d divided by the physical propagation speed s of the medium. One is pushing, the other is traveling. Queuing delay depends heavily on traffic intensity, defined as L times O over R, where it is the average packet arrival rate. If intensity is near 0, delay is minimal. If it approaches 1, queues grow rapidly. Past 1, buffers overflow, causing packet loss. Let's solve a real numerical problem. Suppose a 10 megabit packet travels over a 1,000 kilometer fiber link at 200,000 kilometers per second, with a transmission rate of 1 gigabit per second. We sum transmission and propagation to find a total delay of 15 milliseconds. End-to-end performance is ultimately limited by the bottleneck link. Throughput is defined mathematically as the minimum rate between the sender speed Rs and receiver speed Rc. No matter how fast other links are, the slowest connection dictates the maximum flow. To optimize modern networks, we must target these bottleneck points. By monitoring transmission rates, traffic intensity, and physical distances, engineers ensure low latency, high throughput delivery across the global internet. Thank you for joining us.